Truthfulness in repentance. The first part of truthfulness in repentance is to sincerely regret any sin one has committed, and then to firmly resolve not to return to it, or a similar sin again. A Muslim should persist in seeking the forgiveness of Allah, the Exalted. One should make up for any obligations missed or return any rights taken from people while seeking their forgiveness. A part of sincere repentance is to avoid thinking about anything which is sinful, as this thought is the beginning of more sins. One should be fearful falling into sins in the future, as this will aid them to remain steadfast in the obedience of Allah, the Exalted. A Muslim should have hope that their repentance was accepted without assuming it has. This will aid them in striking a balance between fear of rejection and hope of acceptance. These two qualities are vital for encouraging one to perform righteous deeds and abstain from sins. Chapter 23 Al-Mu'minun, verse 60.
And they who give what they give, while their hearts are fearful, because they will be returning to their Lord.
According to a narration found in Sunan Ibn Majah, number 4198, this verse refers to the pious Muslims who perform good deeds, such as sincere repentance, while fearing it will not be accepted by Allah, the Exalted. It is also important for a repentant Muslim to avoid all the people who tempt them towards sins and heedlessness, and instead accompany those who will aid them in changing their character for the better. As confirmed in a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 2378, a person is on the religion of their friend. This means that a person will adopt the characteristics of their companions. Therefore, it is vital for all Muslims, especially the repentant, to seek and accompany only the pious. Chapter 43 Az-Zukhruf, verse 67.
Close friends that day will be enemies to each other, except for the righteous.
In addition, a Muslim must avoid the places which inspire them towards sins, as a person's environment can be very influencing on their character. Therefore, Muslims should aim to only visit the places which will inspire them to remain steadfast in the obedience of Allah, the Exalted, by fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and by facing destiny with patience, such as the mosque. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.